Hello everyone, today this is part 1 of reacting to Big Netflix Series 2, spreading like wildfire. Let's react! And you're probably wondering why I said part 1. Okay, let's just rock. Na 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 na. You're probably wondering why I said part 1. I said part 1 because this is, spreading like what? What's the name of the station? Doggy! This is 17 minutes long, and I can only record for 13 minutes, so I have to make a part 2, so, yeah.
I volunteered. Did you actually get the vaccine?
Doggy.
No, I never got accepted.
Doggy, that is the dumbest question ever. Of course you got it.
About this vaccine first thing this morning.
Probably me too. A distress call.
You said a police department. What's your emergency?
Oh, I also have a theory. I'll tell you it at the end. When I end. Or actually, why don't I say it now? I think X now is Barry. You know why? It sounds like him. It has the same deep voice. But hey, that's just a theory. A game theory. Or a film theory.
I know we aren't getting many, but I think that shows how quickly this thing is spreading.
Spreading like wildfire.
Exactly.
Boom. Name of the episode.
Pick up the phone to any possible survivors. Gotcha.
Doodle-doo-doo. Oh! Nearly got you. Bro, you're gonna be grounded for months! Bro, you're grounded for 2 weeks! Or maybe even 3! Bro! Oh, there he goes.
Miss Gladwin, my family have all gone crazy. They're all infected. Please help me.
You deserved it. That's what you get.
Grandma, are you okay? Everyone has become monsters.
No! Not her. Well, at least she has purple eyes. That's my favorite color if you didn't know. I thought that was going to be Rash.
Where you are, stop. Don't come any closer. Help someone, help.
Oh, that's not Sheepy. Who the heck is that, Eddie? Go to Facebook. I don't want to go to Facebook. Wait, I recognize this building. Isn't this the building Rash is in?
Well, this is the place where George was last seen. Oh, what's going on in here? Here? Doggy, the boy seems to have escaped.
Trying to save as many seconds as possible. Now we're in the vents. Now we're out here. Oh, that was a quality grass sound. I wish you heard it. Wait, there's no subtitles. Oh no. What is that in the?
That's strange. Have you heard from Ant at all?
Were you?
No, he seems to have turned
Were you
off his
talking
radio,
on
as I am no longer
that?
receiving a signal from him. Well, that's worrying. Tell me about it. We haven't even received any distress calls.
Then why are you?
The entirety of Lucella is infected at this point. I think we would be lucky to find any survivors. Hopefully, Ant can find the
Why aren't you doing anything? You're the police.
Whoa, where am I?
Boom.
Who are you?
Are you sick?
Taking me here.
He is awake.
Little boy, what's your name? Are you hurt? Scratched? Anything? Do I look hurt? I'm tied up in a dark room. What is going on here? You're running away from one of those things. If it wasn't for me, you'd be a goner. Matteo, I told you to stay in my sight. Don't ever leave this place.
It sounds like Antio,
Sorry, Papa.
doesn't
But
it?
good job. Seems as though you saved this young boy's life. That still doesn't explain why I'm tied up in this chair. Papa just wanted to make sure you wasn't going to turn into, well, you know, one of them. Yeah, kid, don't take it personal. We just wanted to make sure you wasn't infected. Ah, okay, I understand. Ant hasn't returned yet. I'm starting to get
I
quite
got the
worried.
part where he said, would you mind
I'm
cutting me
sure
3?
he's doing fine.
Free?
He's not employee of the month for nothing.
He's employee of the month.
What's that?
Of course he's employee of the
Let
month.
me in, quick, open the doors. Quick, open the doors.
He just said.
And I am so glad you're okay. Are you hurt? And I'm assuming you didn't find the boy. I'm not hurt, no. I'm
The
afraid
boy.
I didn't find the boy. I'm assuming he's one of them now. The house was cold and empty. All of a sudden, I felt this dark presence towering over me like a heavy shadow. Was it? It was one of them, but what, Ant? It was a young girl, lifeless, but felt so powerful, if you know what I mean. Oh man, that's horrible.
Oh man, that's
It's
horrible.
sickening to see, if I'm being honest. Man, I'm so sorry you had to see
Man,
that.
I'm so
It
sorry.
shows the severity of what we are dealing with here.
Yep.
Literally anyone can be infected at this point, and we would have no idea. Oh, at least we got us 3. We just got to watch the facts. Yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah, you're infected.
What's your name? My name? Oh, I'm George. Well, nice to meet you, George. Yeah, nice to meet you too, Matteo. So, what happened to you, George? Why were you running? Well,
Why are
my
you
family went to
Why are you running?
Then, later that night, something was up. Why? What happened? My family just started acting really weird. Their eyes, I have just never seen anything like it. Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that, buddy. All because of this potato man. My family, don't worry, you don't have to say it. I know exactly what you're feeling. Whoa! What is that thing?
What do you mean?
Oh, him? We call him Stripes. I'm sure the guy had a real name before.
It's Rash!
I brought him back here for Papa to do some research.
Hey, good nickname.
But he's like infected. Oh yeah, he is. He was wandering out there cluelessly. Oh, I just had some weird guy speak to me through this radio. It was as if he knew everything. What did he say? Well, whoever it was, they seem to know a lot already about the infected. Like what? Well, he told me that the main symptoms are that the infected are not talking. That is really good to know. He also knew everything about my family. Told me to escape my own
It's
home.
Barry.
Went to volunteer as if what, George? As if he was watching me. Holy, go and check on the inmates. Make sure none of the new ones are infected. Gotcha. Right on it. This is crazy. We really have to start coming up with some sort of plan. Well, I don't think that the phone is going to ring anymore. I think we need to start thinking of what to do with the inmates. Good point. The harsh reality is, do we free them in the hope that they are going to be cooperative with us?
Yeah.
Or do we leave them in their cells? I really don't think I could do that. All right, mates, listen up. There is a mass infection going on
That's my.
outside the city right
Put it
now, and we
24.
need to...
Put it 24.
Are you just going to leave us in here to rot, like tuna in a can? No, Willow, that is not the plan. We are keeping you in here for now until we can decide what to do with you. I have already accepted my fate anyway. Don't think like that. Doggy will more than likely go through all records to see who he will be able to trust if we was to free anyone. Is everything okay? Oh, yeah, everyone is fine. I was just talking to Willow here. Willow definitely won't be released. She almost got me killed on the way back to the station. Well, you deserved it. All because you stole the pie. What a pity. See, I've accepted my fate. I'm so sorry, Willow. I'm just not in charge here. Don't feel sorry for her. She has the biggest attitude going. She will be last out of these cells. Eat dirt. To you then.
That last line was
Well,
legitness.
unfortunately, I lost my mother. Oh no, what happened? I was just sat down minding my own business watching TV when all of a sudden I heard a strange noise. I turn around and all I see is my mother's red glowing eyes staring at me Right then, I knew something was wrong. She was all over me, do what zombie people do. Eat my guts, I guess. That's disgusting.
Yep.
How did you survive? Well, luckily, my papa heard the commotion and came in. Could see the state my mother was in and had no option but to pick up his rifle and shoot her to save me. Your papa shot your own mother?
Uh-huh.
That's the wrong
Yeah,
thing, no.
George, let's just not talk about the fact that you just shot your sister and
That's
kicked
so
both
crazy
your
to
mom
even
and dad
imagine.
in the
What is your
face.
papa's name, by the way? My papa? Oh, his name is Maximus.
Cool.
He's actually a really cool guy. He would do anything for anyone. I like that. Hey, listen up, both of you. I'm going to head over the road to the gallery to see if I can find any resources. I'll come with you. Absolutely not, Matteo.
Music's good.
Stay here with George. Don't open the door to anyone. How will we know it's you when you come
Wait a
back,
minute.
though? I will knock 3 times.
Look at this.
Papa, what
Okay,
if
not
you,
that one.
buddy? I know you want to come,
Look at that,
but
look
it's
at that.
best
Look,
you stay
it's
here.
not
If I
black.
don't
It's
return
actually the
within
color
the
it's
hour,
on,
you're
see?
all on your own. But it's dangerous out there. It's also dangerous in here without any supplies. Now stay put while I go and find some stuff. Maybe we should stop waiting for the phone to call and try and find a way into the city's CCTV. Great
Okay.
idea. I'll get right on it. That way we might be able to find some new survivors. That honestly is a great idea.
Right there. He's right there.
Right. I must find something.
I'm gonna have to edit there, everyone. Alright, I hope you liked today's Piggy episode. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. See you in part 2.